Hi there, and welcome to this short course summary session. In this course, we went over the concept of software deployment and the methods and tools used for deployment of Checkpoint products. And we drilled down into each deployment tool, providing an overview of how to use it given a common use case. If you have watched and listened closely, and if you've answered the quizzes throughout this course and have done the exercises, for those who are required to do so, you should now be able to describe the methods and tools used for Checkpoint product deployment, and you should be able to perform a common deployment with the various deployment tools presented in this course. If you have any questions regarding the operation of any deployment tool, head out to community.checkpoint.com. You can search the vast database and even ask the community members questions. I hope you enjoyed this journey as much as I have. Thank you for taking this course, and good luck.